everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn a song called Pretty Birdie, and it uses a lot of ledger lines. Let's get started. Okay, so Pretty Birdie uses notes from the C major scale, meaning we're going to be playing in the key of C major. So we will practice our C major scale as always. We start on C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Back down, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. All right, we know our C major scale. So the time signature is 4/4, meaning we have 4 beats per measure and the quarter note gets the beat. Now, if we just do a quick peek, all I see are quarter notes and half notes so far. Whole note, quarter notes, half notes. No 16ths or eighth notes. So that means we are not going to be subdividing the beat. So you can count this all on your own. We're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 for each measure. So let's jump right in and I'll give you some tips. Looking at the beginning of this song, interesting. The melody is going to be in the left hand in the bass clef, and we have the harmony in the right hand. Okay, that's a fun change. So we're going to have that melody in the left hand in the bass clef, and then in the third system, we see it switch. So we're going to see the melody now up in the right hand and the harmony in the left hand. I really like that all the notes are here in the bass clef in these ledger lines. There's so many ledger lines. That's going to be so fun. And then when we get to the melody in the right hand, it's going to be all the way up here with all those ledger lines too. So this should be a fun challenge. Okay, so let's start with the melody in the left hand. Okay, we have our 5 finger on the C. This entire song is above middle C. So we're going to start on middle C, right? With a 5 finger. Okay, that's pretty easy. 5, 3, 1, 1. And then swing your 2 finger over. Good. And then 1, 2, 4. And then swing that 2 finger over again, right? Okay, so swing the 2 finger over to the A and then back down to G. Good. And they wrote in all the fingerings for you so that it'll be easy for us. But we have to remember them for this next line. So we're going to play 5, 3, 1 again. And then remember we swing our finger over here, right? The 2 finger. And if you have a hard time remembering, you can just write it in. No problem. I'm going to do it too. So 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 3, 5. Okay, that's easy enough. Now let's go back and look at the harmony for that much. So in the right hand here, I have C and E, 1 and 3. Okay, and then I have C and E again up here. I'm just going to jump up 1 and 3 again. I'll play 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And then for the B and F, I'll play 1 and 5. Okay, you can play 1 and 4. You can play 1 and 5. Whatever's most comfortable for you. And then I'll jump up again. It's B and F up here too. And then back to 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Here. 1 and 3. Okay, so everything's looking pretty simple. We're repeating a lot of the same patterns, right? And then B and F. B and F. 1, 3. 1, 3. Easy. Okay, so moving on to the melody in the right hand. Wow, where are we starting? We're starting on that second C above middle C, right? So way up here. So I'm going to play 1. And now I want you to play 1, 2, 4, right? So that's C, E with your 2 finger, and then G with a 4 finger. And then 5, 4. I'll just come right back down. 5, 4, 2, right? So 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 4, 2. And since my hand is already there, I'll go 4, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. Okay, I like that. I like the way that feels. So I might just write it in. 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 4, 2. I'm going to do 4, 3, 1. I like the way that works for me. 4, 3, 1. And then, where was I? again. 1, and then 5, 4, 2. That's the same as here, right? And then we go to the next line. Looks the same. So I'll play 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 4, 2. And then this is 4 again. 4, 4. I'll go with 1 because that was comfortable before. 4, 4, 1 on the D, and then 2 on the E, and then down to 1. So 4, 4, 1, 2, 1. Okay, that's my favorite. I'm going to go 4, 4, 1, 2, and then back to 1. Okay, so you work with that and you think, what's the easiest for me? But for me, it's natural to go 1, 2, 4, right? 5, 4, 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, and then a little stretch down to the new one there. Good, to C. And then all the way up to C again. Wow. Have we played this many C's? That's 1, 2, 3 C's above middle C. Cool. And I'll play that with my 5 finger. Okay. So you figure out what's easiest for you, and then you can just jot it down. All right, let's take a look at the harmony with that melody. So I'm starting on E and G in my left hand. So I'll go ahead and play 1 and 3. Okay, and then right below that we have C and E, right? So I'll play 3 and 5. 1 and 3, 3 and 5. Okay, and then here I have the same pattern, right? 1 and 3, 3 and 5. Okay, now we have some new notes. We have D, okay, F and G, right? And my hand is already there. So I'm going to play 1, 2, and 4. Okay. Then what do we have? Then we have B and F. Okay. Now, if you're comfortable playing 1 and 5, go ahead and play 1 and 5. But because I like to have my hand here, I'm just going to play 2 and 5 because my hand's big enough. Okay. So I'll play 2 and 5. But you can play 1 and 5 if you want. No problem. So you could do that, or you could do 2 and 5. Okay, it's up to you. And then I'll come back to 1 and 3, and 3 and 5, just like we were doing before. So for me, I like 1, 2, 4, 2 and 5, 1 and 3, 3 and 5. That's comfortable for me. Okay, keep going. All right, same pattern, same pattern. Okay, same pattern. 1, 2, 4, 2, 5 for me. 1, 3, 3 and 5. Okay. All right. Now let's look at some dynamics. So here in the beginning of the song, we have MP, that's mezzo piano. What does that mean? That means medium soft, right? And then we have PP in the harmony. That's double P is pianissimo, meaning very, very soft, right? Very soft. So the idea is that they want this melody to be louder than the harmony, okay? We want to hear that beautiful melody and the harmony just kind of in the background with it, okay? So we're going to play that pretty much all the way through these first 2 lines. Play that melody line, mezzo piano, medium soft, and the harmony line very softly. Okay, then in the next section here, in the third system, we see the melody change to the right hand, and now it's, what's MF? Mezzo forte, right? That means medium loud. And then in the left hand, in the harmony, we have piano, soft. So we're playing everything a little bit louder. It's the second time we're playing it now, but we're going to play it with the melody louder than the harmony, same as before. Now we have some final instructions. It says draw a circle around all the thirds and a square around all the fifths within this song. We're going to do them both at once this time. Fun! Okay, so we're going to look for thirds and fifths all the way through the song. All right, so circles around the thirds, squares around the fifths. Third, a third, a third, a third. Okay, we're getting used to this shape, right? Aha! That one is a fifth. Looks like a stretched out third, right? Kind of. Okay, same. That's a fifth. Okay, and that's a third. That's a third. Keep going. Third, 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 third. Okay, that one is a fifth. Very good. Fifth here. Okay, how about that? third, right? Third for me. Oh, now we're going to see that harmony in the left hand. That's a third, 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 third. No. Aha. A fifth. Oops. Leave my 2 in there so I remember. Okay, that's a third. That's a third. Another third. Another third. This is getting so easy, friends. A fifth. And a third. A third. Okay, good job. All right, so remember, you're going to play your right hand slowly, then you're going to play your left hand slowly, and once they feel good, you put them together, hands together, and then we're going to add the lyrics, and you're going to sing while you play. And then we'll sing the solfege while you play. So today we learned Pretty Birdie, a song with so many ledger lines that I could almost fly away. So keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!